Okay, for number 4, okay, why need to carry oxygen here? This is an answer direct from your textbook because the atmosphere thins out as altitude increases. Okay, when climb higher and higher, okay, the atmosphere thins out as altitude increases. So at high altitude, there is not enough oxygen. So breathing becomes difficult. For number 4, I repeat here. Okay, the atmosphere thins out as altitude increases. At high altitudes, there is not enough oxygen, so breathing becomes difficult. That's the answer for number 4. So every time I will give you the full answer, then only you start to do your work and you submit to me. Okay. Then for number 5, which do you think is the most reactive gas in A? Oxygen. The answer is oxygen. Okay, and then why? For number 5 here, oxygen. Okay, answer here is a great many things burn in oxygen. Okay, again, answer is oxygen. The most reactive one is oxygen. A great many things burn it. Sorry, a great many things burn in it means burn in oxygen. So the most reactive is oxygen. Why human we need to breathe in oxygen? Because of we need to breathe in oxygen, use oxygen to burn the sugar. Basically burning, we need oxygen. If no oxygen, the thing cannot burn. Basically it's for burning purpose. Okay, one more time. Number 5 answer is oxygen. The most reactive gas in A is oxygen. Reason is a great many things burn in it. Okay, for number 5, that's it for the answer. Okay, and then for number 6, write down the name and formula of the black substance that forms in the experiment above. Now only we come back to here. This experiment. Okay, we look at this experiment. What happened here is, at first, part A here got 100 cm cube A, means 100 ml. Okay, then the middle here with the copper. Okay, copper wire, copper here, and then they will heat the copper. Heat, can you see there? This one, heat copper, and then the A will pass through. So burning, of course, we need actually oxygen. Okay, so if Cu, copper, react with oxygen, burning, plus oxygen, what we can get is the copper oxide or copper 2 oxide. Copper 2 oxide, what is the color for copper 2 oxide? Is it black powder? Okay, so they ask you about the black substance that form in the experiment. Copper plus oxygen means you burning must involve oxygen. You burn the copper, become the copper 2 oxide. So the black thing answer is the copper 2 oxide. Okay, number 6, answer is the copper 2 oxide. Copper bracket 2 and then oxide. Okay, can we just put copper oxide? Answer not recommended because copper oxide also can be copper 1. So here is copper 2. So it's copper 2 oxide. Make it more specific, copper 2 oxide. And then the formula, of course, is CuO. Formula, copper 2 oxide, CuO. For 6A, answer is copper 2 oxide. Formula, CuO. And then suggest a way to turn it back into copper. Means from copper 2 oxide, from CuO, become back to copper. And this one, for those you have your textbook, you can turn to page 88. Sorry, my one is a bit, my one is version, my one is 3rd edition, page 88. It's actually here. Especially this diagram here. You can see here from the copper 2 oxide, CuO, plus hydrogen. Then can form back the copper. Because actually the hydrogen can take the oxygen from the copper. It's more reactive than the copper, right? So become water and back to the Cu. So how to return the CuO become Cu again? Okay, so answer is we can burn the copper 2 oxide with hydrogen gas. Okay, So the answer here for number 6B. Okay, pass hydrogen over the hot copper 2 oxide. Okay, for last one, 6B here, answer is pass hydrogen gas, pass hydrogen over the hot oxide. Or you can say heat copper 2 oxide with carbon. There's another method. Okay, heat copper 2 oxide with carbon also can, or any more reactive metal also can. Okay, so to make it simple, just say pass hydrogen over the hot copper 2 oxide. That's the answer, because according to page 88, they use the hydrogen. Here's the one. Hydrogen, they pass through, and this copper oxide here, they heat, right? So make it hot. They only like burning. Okay, burning with hydrogen gas here. So we get back the copper, and here become the water. Okay, okay, so that's it. So I stop all this.